we're going to change a Toyota key fob battery. Now, these ones are pretty nice because you don't really need too many tools. The first thing is you want to go ahead and dislocate the key. So you're going to go ahead and pull to the side, and then right where the key is, you pull that out. Now that you have that, you want to go ahead and look right down in that area, and if you looking here, you will see that there's a little nice gap in there designed for the battery to fit in. I would have the Toyota logo on top. That way your buttons don't come out. So the key, if you notice, it has a little curve right there, a little notch. That notch goes right in here. Once you put that notch in there, all you do, you can see it right there how it fits. You want to go ahead and twist to the right side, and then that's going to separate the top. Hold it nice and firm, give it a little twist, and then it snaps. Now, the reason why I like to have the top of the logo up is if you look in here, if you don't have the top of the logo, this is your control board is just gonna fly off. Okay, you have a little map on how to insert the battery, and the key here is you want to look at the big plastic clips, and then you have the small metal clips. So you insert the battery facing the top of the battery goes down underneath those plastic clips. You don't want to push down on those plastic clips because they'll break. You'll see what I'm talking about right now. And if you haven't programmed your car garage remote, I have a video in the description that can help you do that. All right, let's get back to getting this battery out. Now, when you're looking here, you can see that the plus side is in there. And if we look, here you have the large plastic clips and then the smaller clips here. Now, in this particular fob, these clips they're like metal. All right, so you'll have to pop the battery out. Okay. And again, if you had it the opposite way, you see how all of this can come out, and that can make you pretty stressed if you're brand new at changing key fobs. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pull this battery out. So you get your screwdriver or a smaller little screwdriver head. This one is going to work nice. Always put your thumb right over the key very softly because they tend to pop out. There you go. And you don't want that thing popping out and rolling all over the place. You go ahead and get the battery out. And here we have the 2032. So we'll get a brand new one in here. And now we're going to follow the directions in terms of putting the battery in. Here we have the plastic notches right there. And we stick that battery. So you can see that they're in. And now we're going to push very gently. Push it inwards. And then it'll be easy to clip. The key is push it in. And now you should hear it pop. There you go. I like making that sound. And now that that's set to go, you're going to align the top of the key fob. Before you do that, make sure that this is sitting in there in the right spot. It's nice and aligned. There you go. You can look to make sure the plastic is not sticking out. So now we're going to go ahead and put the top part. And again, I always like to close the key fobs. You always open them from the end. So always put the bottom part, line that bottom part together first before you snap. Okay. Although these ones are pretty robust, but line that bottom part here. And then now I'm almost ready to snap it down. Something's not lining up. Here we go. It's right there. There you go. having a little bit of a hard time. You don't want to. It should fall into place. The front side. There you go. Don't snap anything hard until you have like one of the sides lined up. Okay, now it's ready. See in here, I have the front lined up, and now I'm going to push down here, and I'm going to squeeze towards the back, and now we get the snap, and it is closed throughout. And we're ready to roll now. We can just go ahead and put that key back in here. And we test the battery. There it is. We're ready to go. If this video is helping you out, please hit the like and subscribe. And I have a video, if you haven't programmed your car garage remote, I have a video that can help you get that program. Just click in the description. Anything you see in the video will be down in the link of the description. Thanks for watching.